Namaskara. Today I'm going to show you what I love eating in between my rehearsals. Welcome to Roaming Kitchen. Every roaming has a story. And today's story is about an everyday thing that I was doing before lockdown. So I used to have my practice sessions or rehearsals as a solo artist or even with a band. One of the things that I love to snack on in between my rehearsals, especially in the evening, is the akki roti. And today I'm going to show you my mom's recipe of akki roti, which looks like a hat. Let's see how it's prepared. Ingredients required for this akki roti: a cup of rice flour, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, a very small pinch of hing, 4 green chilies chopped, salt, oil of your choice, water, a cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of grated coconut, and 1 cup of chopped onions. We're going to start out with adding the rice or putting the rice flour into this vessel. Now, as the first thing, we're going to add some salt and give it a nice mix. Once that's done, add the coriander leaves, the grated coconut, and the chopped onions. Then we add the jeera or the cumin seeds, these green chilies, and the hing. Once that's done, we're going to add some oil and start giving this a mix. Start adding water step by step to make a nice dough. So the dough is ready, you can see, with good consistency. Now the quantity of rice flour that we've taken is good enough to make nice 4 big akki rotis. So just make balls like these. Okay. See, that's how they should look. It's a very simple dough to prepare. Now I'm going to grease this with some oil. I'm also going to grease this regular pan with oil just to show you both the shapes. You can enjoy the akki roti however you want. I'm placing one ball of this dough and you start spreading it nicely. The dough has stuck really well. Look at this. Spread it as much as possible without any gaps. Once you're done spreading, just make a small hole in between and drop some oil. Yes, that should do. Now we're spreading some more dough onto this regular one. Now I've spread that well without any gaps. Just going to make a couple of holes again here. Maybe a small smiley. And the usual, pour some oil into the gaps. Now both of them are up on the stove and both of them are on simmer. Just let them be on simmer and cover them from top. This is the usual one and that's the way my mom used to feed us. I'm going to keep this covered as well. Well, you see, the akki roti is a very famous dish from the South Karnataka region, especially the Malnad region, and it's just something that you can indulge in given the weather. And akki roti means a bread made out of rice, because akki means rice and roti is basically roti. Now the regular akki roti, the regular shaped one, has to be cooked on both sides, unlike the one that we've put there. I'd like to add a little more oil. You can see how nicely this is cooked and how nicely this is coming out. You just need to take this out and invert it. Now these two akki rotis have come out really well and can be savored with some nice coconut chutney. Shimoga being my birthplace, I have eaten akki roti all my life, starting from the preparation of my grandmom, my mom's sisters, and then my mother, and now I have tried to make akki rotis myself. Thank you for watching. Every roaming has a story. Ellarigu vandanegalu.